It's been 2 hours since I had my pre-workout high nitric oxide smoothie, and as you can see, my nitric oxide is optimal, so it works. So now I'm ready to go pump iron. In a previous video, we showed you what the Pomi-T study, which combined pomegranate seeds, green tea, turmeric, and broccoli. We use broccoli sprouts to basically slow the progression of your PSA, your prostate specific antigen. So we said, well, wait a minute, why don't we do something else? Why don't we add some nitric oxide vegetables and foods to the Pomi-T blend? And that's what we did. And we had it evaluated. So this is my pre-workout now. So I'm protecting my prostate while increasing my nitric oxide. So what we're going to do is I'm going to drink my green tea 30 minutes prior to taking this smoothie. So we're going to do pomegranate juice, pomegranate seeds, turmeric with paste, which means we have turmeric plus extra virgin olive oil and black pepper, because that basically increases the absorption of the curcumin in it. And we're going to use one of the highest antioxidant vegetables, which is broccoli sprouts, which has super sulforaphane, which is that super antioxidant. And of course, you add some mustard seed powder in order to enhance that. Now we shift over to the nitric oxide. And we're going to use beets and beet greens. Beet greens are actually higher than the actual beets in terms of nitrates. And then, of course, the boost is your beet juice. Then you put in the highest nitrate vegetable, which is arugula, and then watermelon. Watermelon is a very high producer of nitric oxide. Now, it goes through a little bit of a process because it has L-citrulline, which converts to L-arginine, and then in essence, it eventually, through the kidneys, and basically increases to processes into nitric oxide. Then, as an extra boost to protect your prostate, and as well, we add some flax seeds. Now, ladies, broccoli sprouts, green tea, and flax seeds also will help you in terms of your breasts, in terms of preventing breast cancer. So we basically have created this great pre-workout smoothie based on anti-cancer as well as nitric oxide. Now, in order to preserve your smoothie, we add some ceylon cinnamon, which is antiviral and antibacterial, and is also high in antioxidant and also helps you with your blood sugar. First, you put your pomegranate seeds in. Then you add your pomegranate juice. And you're going to blend the seeds first because you want to blend them down before adding the other ingredients because they do get a little gritty. So let's blend down the pomegranate seeds. Now we're going to add the beets and the beet greens. And we will add some beet juice to give it that boost, that nitric oxide boost. Okay, then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the turmeric paste. Remember, the turmeric paste is turmeric, extra virgin olive oil, and black pepper in order to enhance the absorption of the curcumin in the turmeric. Next, we're going to add the arugula. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Then we're going to add the watermelon with the white rind, because remember, the white rind has more of the nitric L-citrulline than the actual watermelon itself, than the red watermelon meat. Now we're going to blend this. We're going to add the broccoli sprouts last because heat does affect the broccoli sprouts. Now we will add the broccoli sprouts. And we'll push those down in there real good because we don't want too much heat to get them. But now that we have basically blended all of the other ingredients, now we will blend the broccoli sprouts. And we will now add the Ceylon cinnamon to add some extra antioxidants, sugar control, as well as preservative because it is antiviral and antibacterial. Now we will pour about 10 to 12 ounces of this. And oh, by the way, what you can do is you can put this in some plastic cups and also freeze it so that you have it throughout the week. Bon appetit. I'm going to pour these into some plastic cups so that we can freeze them so that I can have them throughout the week. So as you can see, we have our pre-workout high antioxidant smoothie, and we made 5 cups for the entire week. You just put them in the freezer, and then the night before you put them in the refrigerator and thaw them out so you can drink them the next day prior to your workout. And the whole process took about 30 minutes. So you've done 30 minutes worth of work for a week's worth of high antioxidant pre-workout smoothie. It's been 2 hours since I had my pre-workout high nitric oxide smoothie, and as you can see, my nitric oxide is optimal, so it works. So now I'm ready to go pump iron.